going to Vietnam today. Terminal 1, it's been a while. Okay, nakalagpas na tayo ng immigration and security check. So sa Breeze, mabilis lang naman yung check-in and immigration. We're going down to the gate. Tingnan natin, pero first, let's check the lounge kung may available. Kasi 3:10 pa yung boarding time. Bye! Terminal 1. The bar area. Pasta. Thai chicken. Famous arroz caldo. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry. I'm super hungry. This is the Thai chicken. Let's taste it. Parang lasang teriyaki naman. Parang hindi naman siya Thai. Sarap though. Tamis. Kaya hindi siya lasang Thai. I'm so sorry. Kaso talagang Japanese. The Pag's famous siomai. Typical. Five out of 10. Nagpalasa yung chili oil at saka yung condiments. Pero yung siomai itself, walang lasa. Tofu cups. Tofu na may fried wrapper sa baba. Pwede na. Espresso tonic. A recipe from Rachel, cousin of Daniel. Ang sarap nito, promise. You have to try it. You put 1 shot of espresso over ice and then transfer it into a glass like this, and then you put tonic water. It's the best espresso creation ever. Let's try it. Sarap, yummy. Let's add more tonic. Cheers! So, quick story lang regarding this trip. I'm traveling solo again. First time in a long time na solo travel ulit. I think the last one was Hong Kong way back 2024, March. So yun. Nabook ko tong flight. I booked this flight last November 2025. So nagkaroon ng sale yung Cebu Pacific that time. I think, I'm not sure kung anong, I think 11/11 sale yun. Pero yung time, yung dates na to, around 6,000 walang baggage. So if you add baggage plus 1,200 per way, so it comes around 8,000 to 9,000 pag Cebu Pacific. Parang sumanggi lang, na-struck to me na mag-check sa Skyscanner. So chinek ko yung Skyscanner papuntang Ho Chi Minh. So yun, yung Vietnam Airlines, same lang, 8,000 din. So Vietnam Airlines na lang yung binok ko. Kaya yun, so it pays to check other airlines. At least sa Vietnam Airlines, may baggage, may food, and may seat selection. So yun. Yung baggage ng Vietnam Airlines is 23 kilos na check-in one piece and 10 kilos na hand carry and personal item combined. So that's a plus. Here, we are at Pag's in Terminal 1. Dito, tumatanggap pa rin sila ng credit card, unlike sa Terminal 3. So yun, pero mas maliit to than Terminal 3. Yun. Pero mas madaming food to. Dan Marhaba, I remember yun. Dun sa kabilang side. Dun yung gate natin, tabi ng Marhaba. Hi! Boarded na! See you, Ho Chi Minh, in a while. Okay, so wala siyang in-flight entertainment on a screen dito. Pero ang alam ko, meron siya sa phone. Pwede mong i-access sa phone yung in-flight entertainment. And let's look at the seat. Okay, sizable naman yung legroom. So, diba? Sizable naman yung legroom. I'm 5'11". Oh, look at the leg space. Okay naman siya. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so here's the breakfast for today. I got the fish. The other choice was chicken. There's vegetables and then fish. Then there's bread, butter, and yogurt.
Hello, do you got some drink?
Water.
Water. Water?
Hirap kumain, guys. Ano? Very nice, very flavorful. Good job, good job. Yummy, very flavorful. Okay, kain mo na ako. Okay. Okay, just arrived in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Next hurdle, immigration and customs. So, I heard in TikTok and other social media platforms that immigration in Tan Son Nhat International Airport takes more than an hour. So let's hope na wala masyadong tao sa immigration. So nasa baggage claim na ako. Tapos na yung immigration. Time check, 5:58. I started lining up at 5:33. So 25 minutes. Okay, so tip guys. Always, when you are lining up, always go to the leftmost line because ewan ko, I don't know, it's theory na fastest yung leftmost line. Naging lucky lang yung line namin because na-cut siya in half because may nagbukas na another line for the immigration. So yeah, anyway, not so bad. Tingin ka muna sa immigration line bago ako kumuha ng VIP pass. Buti lang hindi kami kumuha nun. Ito na yung akin. Last time I used this yellow check-in luggage was in Vietnam also, in Hanoi. Wala naman laman yan. Hi!
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Yourself, right?
Castro, John Rafael.
Rafael.
Yeah.
I already called to the driver, but now he have the customer in the hotel.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
So after he wrap up the customer, he will
Okay,
come down.
no problem.
Take around maybe maximum 10 minutes.
No problem. So guys, start na ng journey. So, kaya, diba? Wala sa pedestrian lane. Here in Vietnam. Airport nila, arrival area. Excited na ako magkape and breakfast today. Sana may room na. Okay, so kaya ako choose tong Ibis Hotel because according sa mga nakikita ko sa Accor group, nakakapag-early check-in sila as early as this time. And meron silang free shuttle from airport to the hotel. So parang hindi na ako mag-iisip ng Grab or transportation. Kaya eto na yung pinili ko for the first night. Then tomorrow, ibang hotel naman tayo. Still with Accor group. Yeah. So I've seen TikToks that if you're gonna book a Grab or a GSM, green GSM at the airport, you have to pay for the entrance of the vehicle. So I think it's around 10,000 Vietnamese dong. So be prepared. But this one, of course, this is complimentary, so we don't have to pay for anything. Oh, ito na yun. It's very near the airport. You just have to cross. There's a Family Mart nearby. And And there's the hotel for today or tonight. I hope they let us check in very early. Hopes up. There's a Starbucks also.
Thank you for your passport. Yes, sir. I would like to confirm the booking, please.
Okay.
The booking is under your name, sir. You will stay with us one night, and we already upgrade for you to the Studio King
Oh,
room, sir.
thank
no
you.
smoking in the hotel, please.
Alright.
You can have your signature right here. And I see that you already paid for this booking, so can you show me the card you used to pay, please?
What did I use?
The MasterCard with the last number is 2.
This one.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. One last signature right here, please. And for tomorrow, when you're checking out, do you need a late checkout, sir?
No, not any.
Okay, and you will have the breakfast, and this will open from 6 a.m. until 10:30 at this floor and next to the elevator on the right
Alright.
side, sir. Okay, so this is your room key on the 10th floor, 1001, and this is the Wi-Fi details, sir.
Actually, can I check out at 1 p.m.?
Yes,
Yeah,
of course,
1
sir.
p.m.
So we
Just
can
to be
keep
sure.
Yeah, okay, so
Be sure.
we can keep the room for you until
1 p.m. Yeah. Thank you so much.
And also, you will have the voucher welcome drink
In
your
app,
so
yeah.
you can redeem it at the restaurant.
Alright, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Enjoy your stay.
What's the room number?
Yeah, 1001.
1001. Alright, thank you so much.
thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you. So guys, totoo ang balita. Earliest check-in ever. And then they upgraded us to, I don't know, sabi niya may upgrade daw. Pero tingnan natin kung ano yung upgrade. Let's see. Oh. Damn. Okay, so yun, one of the perks of being a platinum member of Accor is you both get late checkout and early check-in. And then starting with gold, I think you'll be upgraded to the next level of the room. 1001. I think na doon siya sa pinakadulo. Oh, dito na pala. Yeah. So yung preference ko kasi near the elevator palagi. Okay, let's see. Oh, look. Let's open the lights, all the lights. Ah, there. There's a fridge, there's a microwave, there's a hot plate. This is the first time that I'll be staying in a suite room or an apartment. There's the bedroom. And there's the bathroom with a shower and toilet with a bidet and a double barrel dish toilet paper. Okay, time to rest, time to freshen up because I am awake since I think 8:30 yesterday. I'm from duty and then I packed full body mirror here. Okay. Okay, let's check the speed of the internet. Oh, not so bad for any Beast hotel. Oh, not so bad. Yeah, that's the speed. This is the cool area overlooking the airport. Okay, so let's withdraw here at AB Bank. Ito daw yung isang ATM na walang service fee or withdrawal fee. Okay, so let's withdraw. English. Savings. Others. 3 million. How ba? 3 million. Yes. yung card ko. So, huli yung card pala. Check natin later sa GCash kung magkano yung nabawas and kung wala nga service fee. So, according nga dito, wala nga service fee yung withdrawal. Pero tingnan natin mamaya kung magkano yung nabawas sa GCash. Okay guys, so chinek ko na yung GCash. Ang na-withdraw is 6,651. Ang sa global, according sa Google, tingnan natin. So 6,683 sa Google and ang na-withdraw is 6,651. So hindi ko alam kung ano yun, kung bakit ganun. So pero mas mura yung na-withdraw natin dan sa Google na nakalagay ngayon. That's good. So guys, maganda yung palitan dun sa AB Bank ngayon. If you're gonna have a chance na makakita ng AB Bank while in Vietnam, you should withdraw from AB Bank. May isa pa yung TP Bank, pero mas nakita ko kasi yung sa TikTok yung AB Bank. Yung sinasabi nila na mas maganda nga yung conversion and walang ATM fees. First food spot for today. This is my breakfast for today. I've seen this in TikTok. Ooh, egg coffee. Menu. And just what am I excited about? The toast. Eggs Benedict. Should I have Eggs Benedict today? Oh, what is this? I think this is tea. Oh, cinnamon tea. First breakfast, first meal. Ha, nakain ko na to. And egg coffee. Favorite ko tayo ang avocado. I will give this 8.5 out of 10. Avocado pala yun. Solid lang ha. Ang sarap. Wow. 8.5 naging 10. So instead of having Benedict, nag-salmon, ay nag-avocado toast na ako before. It's the same thing. Let's try this egg coffee. Ano pa to? First Vietnamese coffee for this trip. Creamy. Avocado. Grabe yun na. Love it. So let's try this mango toast naman. Comes with honey. Let's try to give her the honey. Ano pa dito? This mango is with, this mango on toast with whipped cream. Tastes like a French toast.